Morning, guys. It's Monday morning and it's still snowing here in Marysville. Check it out. There's our cars. We got a good, I don't know, here on the street it's more than 5 or 6 inches.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, it's like really deep.
Pretty. Yeah.
There's our cars. Here's our street. Here's my wife. And our neighbors are heading to the hospital because they're his wife's getting induced, having a baby today. Ooh, my hands are so shaky. I don't know where you guys are, but it's snowing here in Marysville, Washington. Alright guys, I'm gonna head back in before I freeze my butt off. Alright, peace. I'm back. So now it's about later in the afternoon. It's almost 3:45, and it snowed a little bit throughout the day, but sun's out obviously because you can see it in my face. And this is what's left of the snow, I guess. It's melting off my car. Sharon had to go to work. That's where her car was. So you can see the snow melting. See it running down my window. You see me right there in the reflection. It's not as cold, but snow's still around. And look at the street. It's gonna ice over later tonight. So we'll see if we'll be able to go to work tomorrow early in the morning, which I doubt because I leave the house about 4 a.m. and it's cold. It's nice and peaceful. Oh, check this out. Icicles on my bumper and hanging from my license plate. Ground view of the snow. Yeah, we knew the snow was coming, but we didn't think it was going to come like that. So, dark. I'm in the shade. Here we go. Better. Alright. So I want to show you guys what it looked like later in the day. Hopefully it'll go away soon. Probably next day or two. Alright. Hopefully you guys are safe and warm where you're at. I'm in the ice box. Alright guys. I'll see you later. Peace.